Rupam Sardar, Assistant Professor of Computer Science and Engineering Department. Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic that we have discussed very before about the pipelining. Now the pipelining is divided into two categories. One is instruction pipeline and another is arithmetic pipeline. I will discuss today at first arithmetic pipeline. Arithmetic pipeline do multiply, divide, subtract, add and different operations in parallel. So now whatever we are getting the arithmetic pipeline, we can design the addition, division, subtraction, addition and different kinds of operation in parallel way. So now what is the way to do this operation? The way of do this operation, suppose I have a value. Suppose I have a value x is equal to a into x a and y is equal to a b into x to the power b. Okay. Here a and b are the mantissa and a b are the exponent. Now come to the real figure. Suppose x is equal to 0.9824 into 10 to the power 3 and y is equal to 0.8492 into 10 to the power 2. For these two numbers, how I can add or subtract these numbers? So I am giving you the possible number. So the algorithm is choose the exponent, by subtraction of exponent. Number 2, alignment of mantissa. The third stage is add or subtract and the fourth stage is normalize the result. Now I am showing you performing the task. So my number is, I should not have to delete this. My number is, what is my number? X is equal to 0.9824 into 10 to the power 3 and y is equal to 0.8492 into 10 to the power 2. Right. So at first I have told what is the first algorithm? Exponent choosing by subtraction. So subtraction of the exponent. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So if the result is greater than 1, choose greater than 1 or 0, choose A or B. So what I have to choose here? We have to choose here 3 as exponent. So if I convert, so now the next is, if I have chosen the exponent 3, for the next stage, what is my number? 0.9824 into 10 to the power 3 and 0.08492 into 10 to the power 3. Now if I then alignment of Mantisha. So if I want to do add, then alignment is 0.9824 and 0.08492. Here we can put here 0. So here is 2, 3, 7, 6, 0.1. So this is the result of Mantisha. The last stage, so this is the third stage, and what is the first stage, and what is the first stage was this. So what is the last stage? 1.06732 10 to the power this is equal to 3. This is the algorithm of arithmetic pipelining. Now I will show you by the diagram. So diagram is not complicated. Here A, B store in register, and here A and B store in the register. Choose the exponent. Whenever we are choosing the exponent, in this meantime I am aligning Mantisha. After that, normalize addition or subtraction. Addition or subtraction. In this meantime, what happened? It stored into the register. So, after addition or subtraction, we are getting the result that is called normalized result. And normalized result, we are getting the exponent, and those are interconnected, and here we are getting arithmetic pipeline. So what are the segment? Segment is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So segment 1, segment 2, segment 3 and segment 4. So up to this, arithmetic pipeline is completed here. The next day we will discuss about the instruction pipeline, and furthermore we will discuss about the SISD, SIMD, MISD and MIMD. Thank you very much watching for the video. Thank you.